This is my parents' house, where I live. Outside, you can hear the helicopters circling. Today is May 12th, 2026. We are now 21 months into this narco-pandemic that has taken over Sinaloa. Governor Rocha Moya has requested a leave of absence after the United States formally asked for his extradition. The President of the Republic, a woman many consider incompetent and corrupt, demands proof. No one has declared him guilty. They simply want him to show up and face justice. Rocha Moya claims he is innocent. Fine. Then let him present himself. But everyone here knows the truth. Today, he ordered a pickup truck burned to destroy the evidence inside it. Now he is holed up inside the government palace. Above him fly American military drones and a special operations helicopter known as the Little Bird. The Mexican government, the army, and the National Guard have grown nervous. They filled the skies of Culiacán with their own aircraft, flying over the heads of the citizens, terrified that the Americans will extract him directly from the palace. "21 months of war in Sinaloa, and they still haven't done anything. The murders continue, the vehicle thefts continue, the forced disappearances continue. Nothing has changed.